talk about some of the approaches which AI systems are taking to make sure that this does not remain aspirational, right? And so when we talk about fairness, it's not just about giving exposure or visibility to one kind of sellers in a marketplace. It's also about sellers have a journey. It's like every seller would start on day one to day 10 to day 100, right? And they would have a different kind of profile. So are your systems able to recognize and give them right amount of exposure and visibility, right? So that's one. And typically AI systems are making sure they are debiasing their learning so that these are these kind of journeys are represented in a fair way, right? When it comes to like the other aspect was transparency, right? And within transparency there are multiple things. When you try to be fair and try to give right amount of exposure to different facets, different personalities, different personas, there are chances that you'd end up leaking misleading or harmful content as well, right? So these AI systems need to cover that ground as well and make sure that whatever is being surfaced to the users in the marketplace ecosystem is guarded well. So the governance angle comes into it, right? The third aspect was around inclusivity, right? So for inclusivity to be there, I think the way AI models are right now being trained is they try to make sure that they get representative data of all sorts of from the population, right? And that they do by making sure that they have covered language, they have covered region, they have covered all sort of demography, and they make sure that the training is happening with right representation from each of these sections, right? So that's how these aspects are being taken care of when we are building AI systems, and we are not just aspiring to do this, we are actually doing this.